Welcome to the new generation of framing technology, Montech's MPS Aluminum Framing System. The MPS offers an innovative two-in-one function. It combines a dovetail and dovetail groove system. These ensure precise and secure clamping of the profiles, as well as attachment of accessories such as adjustable feet or windows. No mechanical profile machining is required. The connectors enable precise and efficient assembly, which saves time, reduces costs, and allows for rearrangement of the profiles at will. All clamping connections are accessible from the outside, which makes assembly easy. The profile's optimized geometry requires less aluminum. Less material means less weight for the aluminum profiles. This also allows more sustainable and cost-effective production. Nevertheless, our profiles offer great stability and corrosion resistance. The MPS is an optimal solution for a wide range of industries, including mechanical engineering and logistics. Examples of its applications are modular cells and substructures, although there are many others as well. In addition, due to its hygienic properties, the MPS is also ideal for demanding environments such as the pharmaceutical and food industries. The possibilities are endless. We look forward to working with you to make your ideas reality.